Hey everyone, it is really hot outside, but me and my best friend Amber from the Southern Girl Can, we decided to do a Christmas collab, and we are making Christmas ornaments out of tiles. So first set of tiles, I of course decoupage, so I applied decoupage glue direct on the tile. The tile was white, so no preparation before was needed, and then I applied the glue direct on the tile, and then I just pressed the napkin onto the tile and let it dry. I didn't do anything else with it. After it was dry, I sent off the excess of the napkin, of course, and after everything was sent off, it was time to put a little bit of sparkle and such onto the tile. So I am using my trusted glaze for this, and I just applied a little bit of it onto my tile. I think I applied only 2 layers of it. After the glaze was dry, I decided to put nice little angels on the tile. So I am using some mold and air drying clay for this, and I'm gluing it with express glue from Pentart. After my clay was dry, I just painted it all with black paint, and I wiped off excess of the paint, so I got a nice rustic looking angel. As I was saying at the beginning, this is a collaboration with my bestie Amber from the Southern Girl Can, so her link to her video will be in description box below. So after watching my video, go ahead and go watch hers. She will be making something a little bit different with her tiles than I am making, so for sure it is worth the time to check it out. After everything was dry, I am applying, of course, varnish on my angels, on the clay part of it, and then with a little bit wax paste, I applied a little bit of, I would say, silver, white silver sparkle on my angels. I applied a little bit of the wax paste on the side of the ornaments as well. After it was done, it was time to put something on the back on the ornament. Of course, you don't have to do it, but I just like a nice finish look. So I just traced the ornament around my felt, then I cut it out. Of course, it was a little bit bigger than the ornament, but this is okay because the excess I cut up on the ornament itself, and then I glue it all with hot glue gun. But first I applied ribbon onto my ornament so it can be hanged, of course. And as usual, all material I use will be listed in description box below, but I didn't use a lot of materials on it. This is a really easy and quick craft for your home. So I glued the felt onto the ornament, of course, and then with small scissors I am cutting off any excess of the felt so it won't be visible from the other side. And now onto the other project I got these other tiles as well. They are kind of green, so I decided to put nice red poinsettias flowers on it. So I am using a nice small mold and air drying clay, and of course I will be gluing it all with my express glue from Pentart. If you would like me to do something different, some other style of ornament or some other style of decor, just let me know in the comments as well, and I will be more than happy to do it. Or if you want to join the fun with me and Amber to make a collaboration, just shoot us a message as well. So after my clay is dry, I am of course painting my poinsettia flowers. And again, I am wiping off any excess of the paint on the clay part. And of course, you can paint your poinsettias any colors you want, but I thought on the green or smaragd green, I would say, red will look the best. So as you can see, again, I'm wiping off any excess and I'm getting the nice shades of red onto my poinsettia. After this, I let the paint dry, and then of course I'm sealing it again with matte varnish. Of course you can use glossy one as well. The varnish is as usual water-based. After applying the varnish, I let the whole thing dry. After it is dry, I am applying 3D glue pen from Pentart only to trace the poinsettia, and then I let it dry until the glue becomes transparent so I can apply foil onto it. So my glue is dry and now it's time to put a foil onto it. I had this nice red one, and as you can see, it is so hot here in Slovakia that even the foil sticks on me and won't stick onto the ornament. But at the end I won and it was sticking on the ornament as well. But I made a mess, of course. So any excess of it I just took off with fine brush and wet towel. And here we go again. I am putting some felt on the other side of the ornament. So again, the same steps are applied. I am gluing on the ribbon first, and then I am tracing the ornament on the felt, and then I am gluing the felt part onto the ornament itself. And I'm telling you, it was so hot that my glue was dry in a second. I'm not kidding, really. In a second I had to glue it once more time, and I had to be quick. Sorry. So here it is, a finish on my tree. Yes, my tree is still up, my little tree is still up, but no ornaments on it, just the tree. And here they are. So don't forget to check out Amber from this Southern Girl can as well. I'm hoping you like this video. If you did, please do give me a nice comment, a thumbs up, or do subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. Until next time, bye.